Hello and welcome to this Studio Brootle video. Here I'm going to show you this EBM pack I've made. It's for EBM, industrial techno, EBM techno, that kind of thing. It's got 13 synths like this basically. We get a whole rack. I'll just run through it. You can see it's got wavetable, this one, some distortion, reverb, and you can tweak everything at the front like that. It's got 8 macros anyway set up for each one. This has got unison, and you can see it get really nasty, and yeah, everyone's got a separate sub bass oscillator. So this is wavetable, but I've got an operator underneath it, you can see here, and if I pump it, it will go really loud in the bass, in the low end. If you've got good speakers, your neighbours will hear that one. But yeah, so yeah, each one, let me just play another synth. This is another one. Yeah, again, you get the whole rack. Each of these 13 sounds, you get the whole rack, all the processing, and a sub bass oscillator underneath it as well. This one's based on analog. It's got this moving bandpass filter, overdrive, echo, loads of distortions and reverb and more distortion. And I'll just turn this bandpass up so you can hear it. And this has got the sub bass as well. But yeah, the important macros are all set up at the front. There's 13 sounds like this, and let me just put this back on in the kick. And then you've got some drones as well. There's 3 drones as well. Let me just put one in, like sort of the industrial drones for EBM. Again with macros and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. You get 3 drones there, and then in total there is 16. So there's 13 synths, all racks, all effects, and synths all set up with macros. Yeah, 13 synths and 3 drones. Yeah, so that's it. I will leave a big discount code, like I said, in the comments below for 60% off and a link to this pack. So if you are going to buy it, definitely use the discount code because it will be a lot cheaper, and it will work on anything as well. So if you buy anything else, whatever you get, basically you'll get 60% off. So yeah, I hope you found this useful. Any comments or suggestions for this or future packs, anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it from me. Hope you found this useful. Good luck with your music making. Take care and have a good day. Goodbye.